Being careless with chopstick etiquette. Chopsticks aren't just utensils in Japan, they're a cultural symbol, and mishandling them can be offensive. For instance, sticking chopsticks upright into a bowl of rice is a big no. This gesture resembles a funeral ritual and is considered bad luck. Similarly, passing food from chopstick to chopstick is a taboo associated with cremation rituals. Another mistake tourists often make is using chopsticks to point at people or objects. It's not just rude, it's seen as a lack of basic table manners. If you're unsure how to properly rest your chopsticks, look for a chopstick holder or place them neatly across a small plate or on the wrapper they came in. Avoid rubbing disposable chopsticks together to remove splinters. While it might seem harmless, it implies that the host or restaurant provided poor quality utensils, which can be seen as an insult. If you truly need to clean them, do so discreetly. Learning and respecting chopstick etiquette shows that you value Japanese traditions. It's a small effort that goes a long way in earning the respect and admiration of locals, making your dining experience more immersive and enjoyable.